Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make no knead bread. This bread eliminates the kneading and requires much more rising time, so it uses less work and more time. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started with this recipe. To make the dough, in a large bowl, add in the flour. You can use all-purpose or bread flour, instant dry yeast, and salt. Make sure the salt doesn't touch the yeast or it will kill it. And mix them until they're combined. Then add in the cool water. It should be about 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't use warm water. And mix them really well together until they're well combined. This will be a very soft and sticky dough. That's how it's supposed to be. It's what creates a nice crisp crust and large air bubbles in the bread. Then wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and let it rest at room temperature for 18 hours. It doesn't need to be in a warm place, and this long rising time is what takes place of kneading the dough. After it has rested, it will have created a lot of bubbles and it will have a strong sour aroma smell to it. Liberally flour the work surface. Place the dough onto the surface and fold it 2 or 3 times, adding more flour to keep it from sticking. Then cover it in plastic wrap and let it rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the plastic wrap and shape it into a ball, again adding more flour to keep it from sticking. Don't worry if it isn't a perfect ball, just do your best. Line a medium bowl with a clean kitchen towel. Use a towel that's quite smooth so the dough doesn't get stuck in it. And liberally flour it so it doesn't stick. Then place the dough inside, top sides down. Then wrap it in plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm place for 2 hours until it doubles in size. About 30 minutes to an hour before it's ready, preheat the oven to 450 degrees. And place an oven-proof pot with the lid into the oven while it's preheating so it gets nice and hot. The pot can be cast iron, Pyrex, enamel, or ceramic. Then when the dough is done rising, carefully remove the pot from the oven and turn the dough over into the pot. It might not fall in smoothly, but don't worry if it doesn't. Remove the towel, cover it with the lid, and bake it in the oven for 30 minutes. Then remove the lid and bake it for another 15 to 20 minutes until the top is nicely browned. And it's ready when it reaches an internal temperature of 200 degrees or above. So remove it from the oven. Lift the bread out of the pot and place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool for at least 30 minutes before slicing it. Then slice it up and serve. And that's how to make no knead bread. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.